by none. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ngozi. My name is Ngozi, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back, okay? That is, if today is your first time on this channel, I welcome you, I appreciate, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun, alright? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me, okay? I'm grateful. But before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Alright? Yes. Knives. Our topic for today is knives. The knife. Yes. Adichie. The different kinds of knives in Igbo language. Okay? That is the topic for today. Okay? Do you know that in Igbo, this, and that are all called mma? Generally, they are all what? Mma. Knives. Okay, unless you want to specify the particular knife you are referring to. Okay, so these three in Igbo, they are all generally called knives. So now let's see what each of them is called. Okay, number one, we have the cutlass. The cutlass, that is also called the machete. Okay, in Igbo we call it Nnukwu. Nnukwu or obeji, or obuadana. Okay, good. The second one is the sword. The sword in Igbo we call it agha. Knife, then agha, battle or war. So mma plus agha, it gives you mma agha, the sword. Okay, now the third one today is the kitchen knife, the one we use in our kitchen, the one we use at home. Okay, we call that mma knife, eku kitchen. So mma plus eku, we have the kitchen knife, mmeku. So now we know these three are called mma generally in Igbo, unless you want to specify the kind, the particular mma you are referring to. That's when we have the cutlass, Nnukwu, or obeji, or obuadana. Okay, then the kitchen knife, we call it mma eku, the kitchen knife. Then we have the sword, mma agha, knife, agha, battle or war. So mma agha, the sword. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that you always be the first to receive notifications anytime I make new uploads. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section, okay? And I will be glad to respond to all of them. Ngozi, Bye.